In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot and send it on Discord. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to screenshot and capture your screen, save the screenshot and upload it into a Discord chat or server. And if this video helps you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Discord and tech related tutorials. Now, to do this, you can actually use an inbuilt screenshot tool. So what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here type snipping tool. You should then see underneath best match the snipping tool come up. Give it a click and that's going to open up a window like this. From here, you want to make sure you're clicked onto the camera icon, which is for the snipping tool and not the actual screen recording icon. And once you've done that, you can click onto new. Now what it's going to do is turn your cursor into this crosshair symbol. And from here, what you can do is hold your left mouse button down. Once you've got it held down, just drag the square off the area that you want to capture. Once that's done, let go of your left mouse button, and what it's going to do is capture your screenshot. Now at this point, it's going to copy this to your clipboard, so what you can do is come back to Discord, come down to the chat box, right click into the chat box and click paste. As you can see straight away, that's going to paste the image, and then of course you can type some text if you want, and once you've done that, hit enter on your keyboard. What that's going to do is send the screenshot in Discord. So that is how to take a screenshot and send it on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.